how to play G flat major scale for the alto saxophone. All right, we're gonna start on our G flat right here, no octave key. And then we go to A flat, and then we're gonna go to side B flat. Then we're gonna play C flat, just like a B. And then we go to D flat, which is open. Then E flat, now we add the octave key on that E flat. Then we go to F, and then we are gonna use fork fingering G flat. Then we come back down, release that, and we have our F. Then E flat, open D flat, that's when we let go of the octave key. Then we play our C flat, the same as a B is played. Then we go to side B flat, then we go to A flat, and we're back to G flat. All right? So let's try playing it together. I'll count to 4 and then we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4.